BarryTiger.
Catch the necklace thief.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This here is our most expensive and prettiest diamond necklace. Come and take a look. Huh? What's going on? Who turned off the lights? Huh? Ah! My diamond necklace has disappeared!
Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you find yourself in danger, please call me anytime. Hello? This is Barry's police station.
Super Police Barry! My diamond necklace has been stolen! Can you help me, please?
Don't worry, I'll be right there. Dear friends, it's our turn to save the day. Super Police, let's solve this!
I got the diamond necklace!
It's Mouse Thief! Don't move!
Oh no! It's Super Police Barry! You'll have to catch me first! Bye-bye!
Come back here! The Mouse Thief is too fast! We need a police car! Let's put together a police car! Uh-oh! I got it wrong! This is a loaf of bread, not a light! We're all done! Let's go and catch the Mouse Thief! Stop, Mouse Thief!
Oh no!
Oh no! The thief is getting away! Let's hit the speed up button to make us go faster! Well done!
Oh no!
It's time to catch the Mouse Thief! Oh, don't despair. Try again. Yay! We caught Mouse Thief! You guys are awesome!
Oh, what should I do?
Don't move! You're under arrest!
I'm in big trouble! I am so sorry!
Huh? My diamond necklace! What am I going to do without you?
Mr. Bear, look at what I got!
It's my diamond necklace! Thank you, Super Police Barry!
Solve the case, end the chase! Dear friends, see you next time! Super Police Barry's Safety Reminders! Hello, kids! If you see a thief, then try to stay calm. You can go and tell an adult, or you can also call the police. Don't try to catch the thief by yourself. Do you understand?